Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSG Tech. As you can see on my screen, every time I try to open Google Play Store, I see this error message. Unfortunately, Google Play Store has stopped. So in today's video, I will show you how you can possibly fix this error. There are several reasons. The first one is the hardware is getting a bit older. As you can see that we are using a Galaxy Duos and it's currently running on Android 4.1, which is slightly old for the Play Store. So the first thing you need to do is go into your settings and look for storage. Once you are inside storage, make sure that you have at least some sort of space left in order to run any apps or system apps. Sometimes you have installed too many apps and games and your system memory is running out. So as you can see, we have available space of 1.25 GB, so that's fair enough. Second thing is you have to look for application manager, and once you are inside application manager, click on Google Play Services, and first thing you need to do is click on force stop, click OK. Second thing is clear data, click OK, and if you see clear cache option, also press that and you will basically clear the memory on your Play Store. So then we will go back and restart the device and wait for the system to completely boot up. Most likely if you do these two steps, first one, as I mentioned earlier, that you have to create some sort of space on your system memory. Second one, you have to clear data and cache from your Play Store from within the settings area. Then hopefully your Play Store will start working fine. As you can see that the Android is upgrading and it's starting the apps from the start. So let's open Play Store and see if we still face the same problem where the device was showing us unfortunately the system has crashed. Let's open WhatsApp and see if we can install this. Let's click on the install button, and as you can see we are on the download page, accept and download, and it should automatically download and install WhatsApp. Same goes for rest of the apps. And let's talk about Instagram. As you can see that apps are being installed. It's too bright. Let me reduce the brightness, and now we can see. Let me also take this sticker so at least we can see what's inside. So here we have Instagram installation page. If you click on install, it will accept and download. So this will basically fix your problem, and from here you can type and search any app or game if you want. Again guys, it's an older operating system, but it's still working absolutely fine. There's no issue with that. So that's it for today's video guys. Thumbs up, like, subscribe and share. If you have any question, do let us know in the comment section below. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.